My name is Pooja.
Which class are you studying?
First class.
What is your father name?
Reshu.
What is your mother name?
Nina.
Cheppu.
Usha.
What is your brother name?
Vinod.
Okay. Tena. What is your name?
Tina.
My
name is Tina.
What is sorry. Which class are you studying?
First class.
What is your father name?
Chandrasekhar.
What is your mother name?
Ravi.
What is your brother name?
Hemendra.
Rahil. What is your name?
Rahil.
What is your father name?
Sheikh Salih.
What is your mother name?
Sheikh Salih.
What is your sister name?
Mahira.
Okay. Sai, sit right. Sir, good. What is your name?
Simon.
What is your father name?
Krishna.
What is your mother name?
Kamala.
What is your sister names? Saran. Nitya.
My name is Nitya.
I am studying.
I am studying first class.
What is your father name?
I am studying
No, batao. What is your father name?
Murli.
What is your mother name?
What is your name? Murli.
Mother name, amma.
Amma. Rani.
Sari kucho. What is your brother name?
Murli.
Brother name?
Annaya. Annaya.
Em peru?
Aisha.
Cheppu. What is your name? My name.
Class. My name. Angel Dixie.
Which class are you studying?
First class.
Father name? What is your father name?
Sakar.
What is your mother name?
Javi.
What is your brother name?
Annaya.
Annay parenti?
Harvey.
Blessy. Hey. What is your name?
Blessy.
My name is Anra. Evaru?
My name is Blessy.
Which class are you studying?
First class.
What is your father name?
Today.
What is your mother name?
Sudisha.
What is your sister name?
Blessy.
Abhi. What is your name? My name is Chapra.
My name is Abhira.
Idu chudu nakelli.
My name is Abhira.
Which class are you studying?